All right. So what now, babe?
Now I gotta put this filter on. I gotta put the date. I had that filter. I don't know how long that filter. I gotta read some stuff. So this is my regulator. It's not the regulator. Sorry about that, y'all. That's been onto the filter. I'm a dinghy. No. There you go. Regulator. Regulator it is?
Yeah.
Pressure regulator. There you go.
Yeah, it's the same thing, honey.
Yeah, water regulator for 40 to 50 psi. That's fucking made in China.
Don't worry, baby. China own us. They make everything in France. Baby.
3 months. 3 freaking months for this.
That's good.
$20. Expensive. Yeah. 3 months.
It's the other way, honey. Then the other way connected to the hose. When you're done. Now that goes when you do a hookup, right? Full hookup site. Do you leave that on there? Yeah. Now this is our first time filling up fresh water.
First time. You see everything's brand new. Everything is brand new. See?
I'm surprised I don't have a trash can here. Take your trash with you.
Yeah.
21st of October 2022. What is that for? To remind you when you have put it on? Okay. Gotta make sure you put them stickers on. That's what that is. That's good, baby. Keep them stickers in there.
Keep your what day you in, because you'll be free RV full time. Like me, my wife is free days like today's date is. Full time. Their phones. It's full time RVers.
We had to use a Dollar General bag for that connector.
See, everything is brand new. Never been used. Like Darby, brand new. First time using it for camping. First time for everything. This hose works pretty good. Dave, you got the tripod inside the car. Yeah, I need you to go in there and take it for me. Put the tripod right there. $50-foot hose.
All right, give me a minute, baby.